I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Venu 2 to your iPhone. First, make sure your Venu 2 is fully charged and powered on. Next, head over to the App Store on your iPhone and download the Garmin Connect application. Finally, navigate to your iPhone settings and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process. Once the Garmin Connect app is installed, open it up on your iPhone. From the main menu, tap on Garmin devices and then select Add Device. The app will then search for nearby Garmin devices. When your Venu 2 appears in the list, simply tap on it to initiate the pairing sequence. This step links your specific watch to your account. After selecting your Venu 2, a unique 6-digit code will appear on your watch's screen. Carefully enter this code into the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone to confirm the pairing. Then, simply follow any additional on-screen prompts to finalize the setup process. Your Garmin Venu 2 will then automatically begin syncing all your activity and health data with your iPhone, keeping you updated. If you encounter any connection issues, a quick restart of both your iPhone and your Garmin Venu 2 often resolves the problem. Always ensure both the Garmin Connect app and your Venu 2 software are up to date for the best performance. For a stable connection, try to keep your iPhone and Venu 2 within a range of about 10 meters. These simple tips can help maintain a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.